Okay, we've billed our customers and now we want to print the invoices for people who want to receive an invoice in the mail. So how do we do that? Well, before we actually print the invoices, let's go into preferences and make sure our print settings are correct. So go ahead and click on preferences and then click system settings. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see double window envelopes. If you are using double window envelopes like QuickBooks uses, where one window shows the company address and the other window shows the customer address, go ahead and select yes in this field. We also allow you to print on 3-inch perforated paper because our invoices include a return stub. And if you're going to print the return stub on the bottom 3 inches of perforated paper, then you need to change this field to yes. If you're just going to be printing on plain paper, then set it to no. Okay, now assume that we have our print set up correctly. Now we're going to print the actual invoices. So how do we do that? We click on invoices and you'll notice several options here. View invoices, online only customers, view invoices, paper invoice customers. This is the option we want. View invoices, paper invoice customers. These are customers whose accounts have been designated as receiving paper invoices. So now we have the invoices over here, and if you look on the right hand side, you'll see under the run column a number. That is the batch that the invoices were created in. So the run ID identifies the batch. When we go to print, it's going to ask us for that ID. So now we're going to print invoices. So from here we click print invoices and it's going to ask us for that batch number, and we choose 250 and we click the submit button. And now the system is going to go out there, find all the invoices that for the customers whose account said they're supposed to receive a paper invoice, and it's going to create a PDF of all the invoices that should be mailed out. So now here's the invoices that need to be mailed out. Okay, so from here, if you're on a Windows machine, you'll notice a little printer icon. You can click on that to initiate the print dialog, or you can right click on the invoice and click print, which will then bring up this box, and you click the print button here to start the printing process. Let's go back to it. If you are printing on a Mac, then what you need to do is to hold down the command button and click the letter P. Once you do that, it will initiate the print dialog and it will print the invoices on the paper in your printer. That's how you print a batch of invoices for people who want paper invoices mailed to them.